Let us understand about TuxPaint. TuxPaint. TuxPaint is a wonderful drawing program for children. Unlike other drawing or painting programs, TuxPaint has a lot of creative tools, funny animations and magical effects which make it one of the best drawing software. Who is he? He is Bill Kendrick, the lead developer and designer of TuxPaint. Let us look at its unique features. TuxPaint is a free software. TuxPaint has a drawing mascot which helps you to know more about it. A large variety of tools help the children to create beautiful designs. We can add personalized stems to our drawing once we finish it. Funny sound effects are played when we select any tool. We can load and save images directly as thumbnails without using any file name. Students, note important information that TuxPaint is an award-winning free software for children with many interesting features. The program can be downloaded from www.tuxpaint.org. Let us discuss how to open TuxPaint. Click on Start button. Choose All Programs. Select TuxPaint. Choose TuxPaint windowed. You will now see the welcome screen of TuxPaint. After the welcome screen, we will see the opening screen of TuxPaint. Let's know more. TuxPaint software works on all the versions of Windows. Windows 95 through Windows 8, Mac OS X, Linux and other operating systems. Toolbox has a total of 14 different tools. Colors is the palette from where you can choose different colors. Colors is the palette from where you can choose different colors. The penguin is your friend. It tells the proper method of using the selected tool. We have 17 fixed colors and one choice color. SubToolbox contains more options of a particular tool. Clicking the new button will display color boxes and starters to start a new drawing. Starters is like a page from a coloring book with a black and white outline of a picture and with different background colors. Alright children, let us discuss TuxPaint versus MS Paint. Okay, let us have a quick quiz. Does MS Paint have the feature of playing various sounds when we select any tool? Now we shall discuss Paint tool. Whenever we start TuxPaint, the Paint tool is selected by default. It is used to paint and draw anything that you like. It is similar to the brush tool in MS Paint. We can use it to draw freehand images or sketches as well as select various brush shapes present in its sub-toolbox. Let us start drawing a scenery using the Paint tool. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The shape of pointer changes from a hand to a paintbrush. Select the brown color from the colors palette and draw a few mountains at the upper part of the drawing canvas. Now choose yellow color and draw a small sun behind the mountains as shown in the figure. Select blue color and draw a wavy line for river as shown in the figure. Students, PhotoWorks is an American company. It has developed a software using which you can convert your TuxPaint drawings into puzzles. Let us learn a few things about the sub-toolbox that is on the right side of the drawing canvas. Now let us talk about SubToolbox. The SubToolbox is a unique feature of TuxPaint. For every tool in TuxPaint, we have many options of brush shapes, special effects in SubToolbox. We can choose any brush shapes from the SubToolbox present on the right-hand side. We have more than 50 different shapes, but only a few are used. Let us select different brush shapes and learn how to use them. Haze brush shape. Haze brush is a unique subtool which has a hazy appearance. We can use it to draw objects that are far away. Let us try our hand. Select the Paint tool. Now select the haze brush shape and select light blue color. Draw a few clouds in the sky. Similarly, select green color and draw the trees as shown in the figure. Great! We have learned how to use the haze brush shape. Students, it's time to learn some magic. The most special feature of TuxPaint is the Magic tool. We can use the Magic tool to draw and give amazing effects to a picture. Select the Magic tool. The pointer will change to a magic wand. Now we will apply some magical effects to our drawing. Okay, children, you can add more colors by clicking on the last option of the colors palette. After clicking on it, the More Color dialog box will appear. Select any color of your choice and click on Back button to go back to the main screen and use the selected color. Click the New button. Select the required background and click on Open button given in the bottom left side of the canvas. First, we shall talk about Bricks Magic. Select the Bricks subtool. The bricks effect fills bricks into the picture. Draw a hut using the Lines tool and apply bricks effect. Observe the change in the image. Now let us talk about the Blur Magic. This subtool blurs the area of the picture on which this effect is applied. Let us see how it works. Select the Magic tool and then the blur effect from the subtool box. Apply it all over the boundary of the mountains and see how it looks. You can use the blur effect as many times as you like. Every time you use this tool, the image will fade a little more than the original one. Let us now find out how to use grass effect. It is used to give grass effect in a drawing. Click on the Magic tool and select the grass effect from the subtool box. Select green color from the colors palette. Now draw some grass by clicking on the canvas as shown in the figure.